Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Treat yourself this season. All you have to do is pack your suitcases and you will be happy you did. This 1,200 square feet house is turnkey ready, fully furnished and priced to sell. It comes with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and it's located at Palmetto Meadows Housing Scheme in Clarendon. It is close to major shopping districts and entertainment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 19 million or US $123.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.